Hello everyone, welcome back with me Sam. Okay, today we're going to share about some lessons again, and actually it's not difficult because it's only about vocabularies. So today I and my sister wanna share about some vocabularies because I know vocabularies is really important for us. If you wanna make a sentence, you have to know vocabularies. Jadi kalau kalian mau buat kalimat, tentu vocabularies harus tahu juga. Apa sih vocabularies? Vocabularies itu adalah kosakata. Jadi kosakata itu harus kita kuasai juga ketika kita ingin belajar bahasa Inggris. So guys, ditonton terus sampai habis ya, karena saya dan adik saya akan mengucapkan beberapa kosakata dalam bahasa Inggris. Semoga bermanfaat semuanya. Okay, let's. Alif, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, guys, let's for the first vocabularies. Let's start from the first. Let's check it out. Okay, everyone. For the first vocabularies. Jadi di sini vocabularies yang akan kami sampaikan macam-macam. Names of animals, nama-nama binatang, names of fruit, atau benda-benda yang lain kami akan sebutkan di sini beberapa. Oke. How to say buku in English? Book. Can you say? Can you speak louder, please? Speak louder. Lebih kencang, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What about pintu? How to say pintu in English?
Door.
Door. Oh, good. What about kipas angin?
Adalah fan.
Fan. Very good. So what about this one? How to say in English? HP. Phone. Phone. Very good. How to say pencil? Pencil. Good.
Pencil.
Tas. How to say tas in English?
Itu apa ya?
How?
How?
No. You forget. Lupa. BAG. Bag. Very good. Jadi kalau di spelling kan bag, BAG. Bag. How to say apple in English?
Apple.
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 Yes. What about mangga?
Mangga.
What? Say louder, please. Speak louder. Yes. What's that? Mango. Speak. Say it. Mango. Okay. That's correct. What about dapur? How to say dapur? Kitchen. Very good. What about sendok? Spoon. Okay. Piring. How to say piring in English? What? What's that? Plate. Okay, plate. Mobil. How to say mobil in English? CAR.
Oh ya,
Car. Burung. How to say burung in English? Bird. Apa lagi mau tahu? Meja. How to say meja in English? Table. Good. How to say kursi? Speak louder.
Apa ya?
How to say chair? chair,
chair,
chair. Say it, chair,
chair,
chair.
chair,
How to say ular in English?
snake,
Snake, very good. How to say monyet in English?
monkey,
Monkey, very good. Lampu? How to say lampu in English?
kakak kan belum itu, belum belajar.
Belum ya?
Belum.
Lan.
Lan,
Say lan.
lan,
Lan. The last one ya, yang terakhir ya. Oke.
oke,
How to say sepeda in English? How to say bike?
cycle,
Yes. Okay, everyone. Maybe that's all from me and also my sister Olive. Maybe we can see another time, and don't forget like the video, share, dibagi ke keluarga, ke teman, dan juga ke orang-orang terkasih kalian. Betul nggak, Liv? Betul? Is it right? Yes?
yes,
Look at the camera for the last time. See you.
see you
See you guys. See you next time.
next time.